Hi there, students. Chop chop, get on with it. Hurry up, quickly, move faster. So we have this phrase in English, chop chop. It's an exclamation, an adverb, telling somebody to move faster, telling them to hurry. Okay? We must do this chop chop or the client is going to be angry. Or maybe the boss sees the workers having a break. Come on, back to work, chop chop. The one thing that you need to be careful of with this phrase is the tone. If you use the tone, the phrase chop chop, you are talking to a subordinate, somebody of lower status than you, and you really shouldn't use this to a superior. So if you say chop chop to your boss, that's not good. Okay, you could say it to a friend in a joking way. Come on, chop chop, the train's going to leave without us. Yeah, I want to leave. Chop chop, get on with it. Okay? Or if you're in a group where you're all equal status, come on guys, chop chop. We all need to really get down to this and get it done. Yeah, we need to do this chop chop or we're not going to finish it by the end of the day. Okay? So it's saying stop sitting around and get on with it. You're going too slowly, yeah? You need to go faster. But it's from a superior position. So be careful how you use it there. Notice as well, chop chop is informal. You can't use this in a formal writing. This is for an informal conversation in an informal situation. Yeah, not a report for another company or a CPE writing. No. Yeah. In that case, you'd say go faster, work harder, don't be lazy. Something like that. Okay. Now the origin of this word is interesting as well. It comes from Pidgin English and it's based on or so they say, on the Chinese phrase kwai kwai, which I believe means agile or come on, get on with it. And this phrase was used a lot by British sailors and seamen in the 19th century. So this phrase chop chop has come into English through Chinese. Okay? So chop chop, an informal phrase saying hurry up, quickly, get on with it. But use it to somebody of equal or inferior status. Don't tell your teacher, chop chop, you're going too slowly, because that would be extremely rude. Okay? So there you go, chop chop. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Chop chop.